Absolute entropy of a substance. The increase in the entropy of a substance as it goes from a perfectly ordered crystalline form at 0 degree Kelvin, where its entropy is 0, to the temperature in question. Absolute zero. The 0 point on the absolute temperature scale, that is minus 273.15 degrees centigrade or 0 degree Kelvin. Theoretically, the temperature at which molecular motion ceases. Absorption spectrum. Spectrum associated with absorption of electromagnetic radiation by atoms or other species, resulting in transitions from lower to higher energy states. Accuracy. How closely a measured value agrees with the correct value. Acid. A substance that produces H plus aqueous ions in aqueous solution. Strong acids ionize completely or almost completely in dilute aqueous solution. Weak acids ionize only slightly. Acid anhydride. The oxide of a nonmetal that reacts with water to form an acid. Acidic salt. A salt containing an ionizable hydrogen atom does not necessarily produce acidic solutions. Activation energy. Amount of energy that must be absorbed by reactants in their ground state to reach the transition state so that a reaction can occur. Active metal. Metal with low ionization energy that loses electrons readily to form cations. Activity of a component of ideal mixture. A dimensionless quantity whose magnitude is equal to the molar concentration in an ideal solution, equal to the partial pressure in an ideal gas mixture, and defined as 1 for pure solids or liquids. Activity series. A listing of metals and hydrogen in order of decreasing activity. Actual yield. Amount of a specified pure product actually obtained from a given reaction. Compare with theoretical yield. Actinides. Elements 90 to 103 after actinium. Acyl group. Compound derived from a carbonic acid by replacing the OH group with a halogen, that is X, usually Cl. Addition reaction. A reaction in which two atoms or group of atoms are added to a molecule, one on each side of a double or a triple bond. Adhesive forces. Forces of attraction between a liquid and another surface. Adsorption. Adhesion of a species onto the surfaces of particles. Alcohol. Hydrocarbon derivative containing an OH group attached to a carbon atom not in an aromatic ring. Aldehyde. Compound in which an alkyl or aryl group and a hydrogen atom are attached to a carbonyl group. General formula ORCH. Alkali metals. Metals of group 1A, that is sodium, potassium, rubidium. Alkaline battery. A dry cell in which the electrolyte contains KOH, that is potassium hydroxide. Alkaline earth metals, that is group 2A metals. Alkenes or olefins. Unsaturated hydrocarbons that contain one or more carbon-carbon double bonds. Alkyl group. A group of atoms derived from an alkane by the removal of one hydrogen atom. Alkyl benzene. A compound containing an alkyl group bonded to a benzene ring. Alkenes. Unsaturated hydrocarbons that contain one or more carbon-carbon triple bonds. Allotropes. Different form of the same element in the same physical state. Allotropic modifications or allotropes. Different forms of the same element in the same physical state. Alloying. Mixing of metal with other substances, usually other metals, to modify its properties. Alpha particle. A helium nucleus. Alpha particle. Helium ion with 2 plus charge, an assembly of 2 protons and 2 neutrons. Alums. Hydrated sulfates of the general formula M plus M3 plus SO4 twice 12H2. Amide. Compound containing the OCN group. Compounds that can be considered a derivative of ammonia in which one or more hydrogens are replaced by alkyl or aryl groups. Amine. Derivatives of ammonia in which one or more hydrogen atoms have been replaced by organic groups. Amine complexes. Complex species that contain ammonia molecules bonded to metal ions. Amino acid. Compound containing both an amino and a carboxylic acid group, the NH2 group. Amorphous solid. A non-crystalline solid with no well-defined ordered structure. Ampere. Unit of electrical current, 1 ampere equals 1 coulomb per second. Amphiphotism. Ability of a substance to exhibit amphiphotism by accepting donated protons. Amphoterism. The ability to react with both acids and bases. Ability of a substance to act as either an acid or a base. Anion. A negative ion, an atom or group of atoms that has gained one or more electrons. Anode. In a cathode ray tube, the positive electrode at which oxidation occurs. Antibonding orbital. A molecular orbital higher in energy than any of the atomic orbitals from which it is derived, lends instability to a molecule or ion when populated with electrons, denoted with a star, superscript or minus symbol. Aromatic hydrocarbons, benzene and its derivatives. Artificial transmutation, an artificially induced nuclear reaction caused by the bombardment of a nucleus with subatomic particles or smaller nuclei. Aryl group, group of atoms remaining after a hydrogen atom is removed from the aromatic system. Associated ions, short-lived species formed by the collision of dissolved ions of opposite charges. Atmosphere, a unit of pressure, the pressure that will support a column of mercury 760 mm high at 0 degrees Celsius. Atom, the smallest particle of an element. Atomic mass unit, that is AMU, 1/12 of a mass of an atom of the carbon-12 isotope, a unit used for starting atomic and formula weights, also called Dalton. Atomic number, integral number of protons in the nucleus, defines the identity of the element. Atomic orbital, region or volume in space in which the probability of finding electrons is highest. Atomic radius, radius of an atom. Atomic weight, weight average of the masses of the constituent isotopes of an element, the relative masses of atoms of different elements. Aufbau principle, that is, building up principle. This describes the order in which electrons fill orbitals in atoms. Autoionization, an ionization reaction between the identical molecules. Avogadro's law. At the same temperature and pressure, equal volumes of all gases contain the same number of molecules. Avogadro's number. The number of atoms, molecules or particles found in exactly 1 mole of the substance. Background radiation. Radiation extraneous to an experiment. Usually, the low-level natural radiation from cosmic rays and trace radioactive substances present in our environment. Band. A series of very closely spaced, nearly continuous molecular orbitals that belong to the crystal as a whole. Band of stability. Band containing non-radioactive nuclides in a plot of number of neutrons versus atomic number. Band theory of metals. Theory that accounts for the bonding and properties of metallic solids. Barometer. A device for measuring pressure. Base. A substance that produces OH, that is, aqueous ions in aqueous solution. Strong soluble bases are soluble in water and are completely dissociated. Weak bases ionize only slightly. Basic anhydride. The oxide of a metal that reacts with water to form a base. Basic salt. A salt containing an ionizable OH group. Beta particle. Electron emitted from the nucleus when a neutron decays to a proton and an electron. Biodegradability. The ability of a substance to be broken down into simpler substances by bacteria. Binary acid. A binary compound in which H is bonded to one or more of the more electronegative nonmetals. Binary compound. A compound consisting of two elements may be ionic or covalent. Binding energy, that is, nuclear binding energy. The energy equivalent delta E is equal to delta mc square of the mass of an atom, where E is the energy in joules, m is the mass in kilograms, and c is the speed of light in meter per second square. Boiling point. The temperature at which the vapor pressure of a liquid is equal to the applied pressure also on the condensation point. Boiling point elevation. The increase in the boiling point of a solvent caused by the dissolution of a non-volatile solute. Bomb calorimeter. A device used to measure the heat transfer between the system and surroundings at constant volume. The amount of energy necessary to break 1 mole of bond of a given kind in gas phase. Bond order. Half the number of electrons in bonding orbitals minus half the number of electrons in anti-bonding orbitals. Bonding orbital. A molecular orbit lower in energy than any of the atomic orbitals from which it is derived. Lends stability to a molecule or ion when populated with electron. Bonding pair. Pair of electrons involved in a covalent bond. Boron hydrides. Binary compounds of boron and hydrogen. Born-Haber cycle. A series of reactions and accompanying enthalpy changes which, when summed, represents the hypothetical one-step reaction by which elements in their standard states are converted into crystals of ionic compounds and the accompanying enthalpy changes. Boyle's law. At constant temperature, the volume occupied by a definite mass of a gas is inversely proportional to the applied pressure. Breeder reactor. A nuclear reactor that produces more fissionable nuclear fuel than it consumes. Bronsted-Lowry acid. A proton donor. Bronsted-Lowry base. A proton acceptor. Buffer solution. Solution that resists the change in pH, contains either a weak acid and a soluble ionic salt of the acid or a weak base and a soluble ionic salt of the base. Burette. A piece of volumetric glassware usually graduated into 0.1 ml intervals that is used to deliver solutions to be used in titrations in a quantitative, that is, drop-wise manner. Calorie. The amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water from 14.5 degrees Celsius to 15.5 degrees Celsius. That is, 1 calorie is equal to 4.184 joules. Calorimeter. A device used to measure the heat transfer between system and surroundings. Canal ray. Stream of positively charged particles that moves towards the negative electrode in the cathode ray tubes, observed to pass through the canals in the negative electrode. Capillary. A tube having a very small inside diameter. Capillary action. the drawing of a liquid up the inside of a small bore tube when adhesive forces exceed coercive forces, or the depression of the surface of the liquid when coercive forces exceed the adhesive forces. Carbanion, an organic ion carrying a negative charge on a carbon atom. Carbonium ion, an organic ion carrying a positive charge on a carbon atom. Carcinogen, a substance capable of causing or producing cancer in mammals. Catalyst, a substance that speeds up a chemical reaction without being consumed itself in the reaction. A substance that alters, that is, usually increases the rate at which a reaction occurs. Catenation, bonding of atoms of the same element into chains or rings. The bonding together of atoms of the same element to form chains. The ability of an element to bond to itself. Cathode, electrode at which reduction occurs. In a cathode ray tube, the negative electrode. Cathodic protection, protection of a metal, making it a cathode, against corrosion by attaching it to a sacrificial anode of a more easily oxidized metal. Cathode ray tube, closed glass tube containing a gas under low pressure with electrodes near the ends and the luminescent screen at the end near the positive electrode, produces cathode rays when high voltage is applied. Cation, a positive ion, an atom or group of atoms that has lost one or more electrons. Cell potential, potential difference E cell between oxidation and reduction half cells under non-standard conditions. Central atom, an atom in a molecule or polyatomic ion that is bonded to more than one atom. Chain reaction, a reaction that, once initiated, sustains itself and expands. This is a reaction in which reactive species, such as radicals, are produced in more than one step. These reactive species, radicals, propagate the chain reaction. Chain termination step, the combination of two radicals which removes the reactive species that propagate the chain reaction. Charles' law. At constant pressure, the volume occupied by a definite mass of gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. Chemical bonds, the attractive forces that hold atoms together in elements or compounds. Chemical change, a change in which one or more new substances are formed. Chemical equation, description of a chemical reaction by placing the formulas of the reactants on the left side and the formulas of products on the right-hand side of an arrow. Chemical equilibrium, a state of dynamic balance in which the rates of forward and reverse reactions are equal. There is no net change in concentrations of reactants or products while a system is at equilibrium. Chemical hygiene officer, that is CHO, a person or an employee who is qualified by training or experience to provide technical guidance in the development and implementations of the provisions of a chemical hygiene plan, that is CHP. Chemical hygiene plan, CHP, a written program developed and implemented by an employer designating procedures, equipment, personal protective equipment, and work practices that are capable of protecting employees from health hazards presented by hazardous chemicals used in that particular workplace. Chemical kinetics, the study of rates and mechanisms of chemical reactions and of the factors on which they depend. Chemical periodicity, the variations and properties of elements with their position in the periodic table. Cis-trans isomerism, a type of geometrical isomerism related to the angles between like ligands. Clay, a class of silicate and aluminosilicate minerals with sheet-like structures that have enormous surface areas that can absorb large amounts of water. Cloud chamber, a device for observing the paths of speeding particles as vapor molecules condense on them to form fog-like tracks. Coefficient of expansion, the ratio of the change in length or volume of a body to the original length or volume for a unit change in temperature. Cohesive forces, all the forces of attraction among particles of a liquid. Coke, an impure form of carbon obtained by a destructive distillation of coal or petroleum. Colligative properties, physical properties of solutions that depend upon the number but not the kind of solute particles present. Collision theory, theory of reaction rates that states the effective collisions between reactant molecules must occur in order for the reaction to occur. Colloid, a heterogeneous mixture in which solute-like particles do not settle out. Combination reaction, reaction in which two substances, that is, elements or compounds, combine to form one compound. Reaction of a substance with oxygen in a highly exothermic reaction, usually with a visible flame. Combustible, classification of liquid substances that will burn on the basis of flash points. A combustible liquid means any liquid having a flash point at or above 37.8 degrees Celsius but below 93.3 degrees Celsius, except any mixture having components with flash points of 93.3 degrees Celsius or higher, the total of which makes up 99% or more of the total volume of the mixture. Common ion effect, suppression of ionization of a weak electrolyte by the presence in the same solution of a strong electrolyte containing one of the same ions as the weak electrolyte. Complex ions, ions resulting from the formation of coordinate covalent bonds between simple ions and other ions or molecules. Composition stoichiometry, it describes the quantitative mass relationships among elements in compounds. Compound, a substance of two or more elements in fixed proportions. Compounds can be decomposed into their constituent elements. Compressed gas, a gas or a mixture of gases having in a container an absolute pressure exceeding 40 psi at 21.1 degrees Celsius. A gas or a mixture having in a container an absolute pressure exceeding 104 psi at 54.4 degrees Celsius, that is 130 degrees Fahrenheit, regardless of the pressure at 21.1 degrees Celsius. Concentration, amount of solute per unit volume or mass of solvent or of solution. Condensation, liquefaction of vapor. Condensed phases, the liquid and solid phases, phases in which particles interact very strongly. Condensed states, the solid and the liquid states. Conduction band, a partially filled band or a band of vacant energy levels just higher in energy than a filled band, a band within which or into which electrons must be promoted to allow electrical conduction to occur in a solid. Conjugate acid-base pair, in Bronsted-Lowry terminology, a reactant and a product that differ by a proton, that is H+. Conformations, structures of a compound that differ by the extent of rotation about a single bond. Continuous spectrum, spectrum that contains all wavelengths in a specified region of the electromagnetic spectrum. Control rods, rods of materials such as cadmium or boron steel that act as neutron absorbers, not merely moderators. They are used in nuclear reactors to control neutron fluxes and therefore rates of fission. Conjugated double bonds, double bonds that are separated from each other by one single bond as shown. Contact process. Industrial process by which sulfur trioxide and sulfuric acid are produced from sulfur dioxide. Coordinate covalent bond. A covalent bond in which both shared electrons are donated by the same atom, a bond between a Lewis base and a Lewis acid. Coordination compound or complex. A compound containing coordinate covalent bonds. Coordination number. In describing crystals, the number of nearest neighbors of an atom or ion. The number of donor atoms coordinated to a metal. Coordination sphere. The metal ion and its coordinating ligands but not any uncoordinated counterions. Corrosion. Oxidation of metals in the presence of air and moisture. Coulomb. Unit of electrical charge. Coulometry. The quantitative application of Faraday's law to the analysis of materials. The current and time are the usual variables measured. Covalent bond. Chemical bond formed by the sharing of one or more electron pairs between two atoms. Covalent compounds. Compounds containing predominantly covalent bonds. Critical mass. The minimum mass of a particular fissionable nucleus in a given volume required to sustain a nuclear chain reaction. Critical point. The combination of critical temperature and critical pressure of a substance. Critical pressure. The pressure required to liquefy a gas or a vapor at its critical temperature. Critical temperature. The temperature above which a gas cannot be liquefied, that is, the temperature above which a substance cannot exhibit distinct gas and liquid phases. Crystal field stabilization energy. A measure of the net energy of stabilization gained by a metal ion's non-bonding d electrons as a result of complex formation. Crystal field theory. Theory of bonding in transition metal complexes in which ligands and metal ions are treated as point charges. A purely ionic model, ligand point charges represent the critical electrical field perturbing the metal in d orbitals containing the non-bonding electrons. Crystal lattice. A pattern of arrangement of particles in a crystal. Crystal lattice energy. Amount of energy that holds a crystal together. The energy change when a mole of solid is formed from its constituent molecules or ions for ionic compounds in their gaseous state. The energy change when 1 mole of formula units of a crystalline solid is formed from its ions, atoms or molecules in the gas phase, which is always negative. Crystalline solid. A solid characterized by a regular ordered arrangement of particles. Curie, that is Ci. The basic unit used to describe the intensity of radioactivity in a sample of a material. 1 Curie equals 37 billion disintegrations per second, or approximately the amount of radioactivity given off by 1 gram of radium. Cyclotron, a device for accelerating charged particles along a spiral path.